colligative properties. Two solutions of protein with molecular weight is 50,000 grams are prepared separately. So don't get shocked that molecular weight can't be 50,000. It can be lakh, it can be 2 lakh, because proteins and all these things are the polymers. So polymers can have these giant values of molar mass. So I can say what they have given: solution A is having 1 gram protein in 0.5 liters of solution. Solution B is having 2 grams of protein in 1 liter of solution. When these solutions are mixed at this temperature, so we have to find out the total osmotic pressure. What is given? This is the value of R. They have given R is equal to 0.08 liters ATM. This value is given. So after mixing or during the mixing, we can apply the law of conservation of mass. So if I mix this 0.5 liters of solution with 1 liter of solution, the total amount of the solution will be equal to 1.5 liters and the total amount of protein will be equal to 3 grams. So in total, what I can say, and proteins, they do not dissociate or they do not associate in water, or if nothing is mentioned about dissociation or association, we should not consider. We should consider that its Van't factor iota should be equal to 1. So I can say this pi is equal to molarity R into T. So I have to consider the molarity of the total solution. So in total solution, the number of moles of protein are 3 by 5,000. 3 by 50,000. So I can take 3 by 5 into 10 to the power 4 divided by the total volume of solution. So it is equal to 1.5 liters. So this is already in liters, so I no need to multiply by 1000 factor. So this is the molarity. R they have given 0.08. So I'll leave some space that I'll tell you later. Multiply with the temperature. So temperature they have given 300. So just try to see the things clearly, carefully. The value of R is given in ATM. It is 0.08. And they're asking the osmotic pressure in terms of torr. So either I can do one thing, I can find out this value in terms of ATM and then I can multiply the 760 factor to convert this value into torr, or I can directly convert the value of R in terms of torr. So one thing that we know is 1 ATM is equal to 760 mmHg, or 1 mmHg is equal to 1 torr. So this value is 760 torr.
Preparing mode, waiting for device to connect.
Torr. So I can multiply this 760 over here also. So after solving all these things, you will find this value is approximately equal to 7.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 torr. So one thing you can see, if you don't use this value 760, if you multiply this later, why have done this earlier also? Because if I do not multiply 760 over here, you will find this value is approximately equal to 98 or 9.8, and this option is also given. So when you are in hurry, so what will happen if you are solving this question for the first time, when you will find this your answer is coming approximately equal to 9.8, so you will forget to multiply this with factor 760. So it is better to convert the value of R into R into torr over here also. So after completing this calculation, you will find this value is approximately equal to the given value in option C. So